Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So, children, we are learning decimals. Yes, decimals. And we learned decimals in decimals, equivalent decimals, like decimals.
Like decimals to
Okay, one by
like
one. Yeah.
decimals.
Okay, Gautam, I will ask one by one because no, it will not be audible for everyone if someone say together. So, Alok, can you say what is
Excuse me,
equivalent
ma'am.
decimals?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Decimals having the same
Yes, I meant.
decimal places.
And did you send the notes of this?
I have written. I will send after this class.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. I have written what is the equivalent decimals. Who can say? Can you raise your hand? Yes, I meant.
Ma'am, equivalent decimals are the.
I cannot hear.
Ma'am, in the decimal part there will be equal number.
Equal number.
Ma'am, in the decimal part.
Yes, Anandesh. Can you say a little more clearly? In the decimal part.
Decimal part will be in equal value. The numbers
Equal
will have
value.
equal
Okay.
value.
Decimal numbers which have equal value. It need not be same number. Sometimes it will be 0.3, 0.30, 0.300. All have equal value. So don't forget the definition. Okay. So here equivalent decimal means the decimal numbers which have equal value. Okay. What about like decimals? Who can tell me that
Excuse me,
answer?
ma'am, I
Like
have a doubt.
decimals.
Decimals.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, if ma'am in equal fractions, the whole part should be 0.
No, no.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, who is going to tell me? Yes, Christo? Going to say what is like
The
decimal?
decimals which equal place of decimal.
Same number of decimal places. Same number of decimal places. Equivalent decimal means the decimal numbers which have equal value, and like decimal means decimal numbers which have same number of decimal. So when we do the more problems, it will be clear. Okay. So can we continue with our workbook questions? Children, workbook.
Yes.
How many questions over?
Question number 15B.
15A is over. So
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
15A we were doing? Write the expanded form and express that in words. So children, the decimal part, how we will write? If it is 1 digit, we will write. If it is, for example, 0.3, 3/10. If it is 2 digit, what we will say? Decimal part, if it is 2 digits, what we will say? Yes?
2 Ma'am,
100th.
100th. Okay, 100th. Okay, if the decimal part have 3 digit, what we will say? Thousandth. Okay, don't forget that TH. That is very important. Some distraction sounds, children. It's so. Okay, 10th, 100th, 1000th. So, for example, 0.25, we will say 2500th. 253, we will say 253,000th. Okay. So, when we will do more problems, we will be the numbers without decimal point. We know already how to write the expanded form, how to write the number name. Here we will see if the after the decimal, if it have only 1 point, 1 decimal number, that is 10th, and 2 decimal point it is 100th, 3 decimal point it is 1000th. Manu, can you read question number B of question number 15, page number 59. Okay. Yes.
Express the B. Express 23.456.
Express these decimals in words.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
expand. Okay. So what's the question? 23 point.
23.456.
Okay. So children, you can see you have to remember the place value, that decimal place value chart. decimal. What happened here? One minute, okay? Let me take. Let it be there. Okay, so here to find the decimal place value chart, decimal place value chart, what we'll do? We can write here, this is decimal point. If you write here the decimal point, after the decimal point, which is the first place, 10th. Okay, 10th. Tenths, we will THS, tenths. Then we have 100. Then we have 1000th. Usually children, we will have 3 decimal points, most of the case, 1000th. Okay, here before the decimal point, children, you know what is that? Ones, tens, 100, thousands, so on. You know, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, like that. Okay. So here we have question number B, 15th question, question number 15B, page number 59. Page number 59. All the children, please take out your workbook. Page number 59, question number 15B. Question number 15A finished, yes? 15A is over. Okay. Now 23.456. So I will write here 23.45. Here it is 5, 6. The thousandths place. Okay. So no need to write the place value chart. I am just showing because you should be thorough with the place values. Okay. That's why I'm showing you this place value chart. No need to write this. So how we can write this in the expanded form? Yes, Fia, can you tell me, Fia? Expanded
Yes,
form. Same like question number A, 15A. Please check how we have done. First, we will write 400s plus 4 tens. Like this here. How many tens we have?
For
Yeah,
in
look at question number B. Question number B.
okay, ma'am.
This is tens. This one.
2 into 10.
2 tens. So we will write 2 tens plus 3 in which place?
3
Three?
ones.
1.
3 ones.
2 tens. So we will write the next place, that is 3 ones. This is very easy. Now we will check what will be in the decimal part. 4 in which place?
4 tenths.
4 tenths. Okay, 4 tenths. Then we have to
500.
add 5 is in which place?
100.
100th. 500th. 500ths. Then, which is in thousandth place?
6.
6 is in thousandth place. Thousandth. So, children, only difference here, there is after ones, it will start 10th, 100th, 1000th. THS is very important. Okay, 1000th. Okay, 1000th. Now we can write 2 tens means how we can write 2 into?
2 into 10.
2 into 10. Okay, 2 into 10. Plus 3 into 1 means 3 into
3 into 1.
1. Plus 4 into 10th. How we will write 10th?
4 into 1 by 10.
1 by 10. Okay, very good. So children, what is the 500th means? 5 into 1
5
by
into 1 by 100.
1 by 100 plus 6 into 1
1
by
by 1000.
1000. So 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1 by 10 plus 5 into 1 by 100 plus 6 into 1 by 1000. Now next what we will write? We will write 20 plus 3 like that. You can do that
Yes, ma'am.
same like question number A.
Ma'am,
Ah,
it's number name. It will
wait,
be
wait. We will discuss together. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
By 6 children. Okay, here 20 plus 3 plus what we have 4 into 1 by 10, 4 by 10
4 by 10.
plus 5
5 by
by 100 plus 6 by 1000. Okay, Gautam, can you try the number name?
Yes, ma'am. 23.
23 and the number name. Okay. 23, 23, 23 and the decimal part together, 4, 5, 6 together, and look at the last place value.
4, 5, 6, thousands.
So 4, 5, 6, how will write 400 and
456,000.
thousandth. Very good. So children, 456 we will write together. 456, 456. 456. After writing 456, you have to check which is that place value. So here we have thousandth. The last number, it is in thousand. So we will write 456,000th. That is very important. Okay. Otherwise, if you don't write that, it will be a number without decimal point. So 456,000th. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now Adinath, can you read the next question? Question number 16.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Write the digits in the tens, ones, tenths, and hundred places of the following numbers. A 72.5.
Okay, 72.5. So what is the question? What we have to do? Write the digits in the tens. Which is number is in the tens place?
7.
7. Okay. And which number is in ones place?
2.
2. And which number is in tenth place?
5.
5. Okay. So children, that much only. We just want to write. So like these questions, I think we have done in our class 1 and 2. Which number is in tens place, which number is in ones place. But only thing we are learning new, that is 10th place, 100th place. So after the decimal point, which number is there first? That will be the number in the or digit in the 10th place. And which number will be in the second place? That will be the digit in the 100th place. Okay, so we can write question number A. That question number 16A. Question number 16A. We have to, the question is, which write the digits in the tens place. So which is in the tens place? 7. 7 is in the tens. 7 is in the tens place. 7 is in the tens place. Tens and tenth. When you do, read the question carefully and do that. Otherwise, it will be wrong. Which number is in the ones place? 5 is in the ones place. Five is in the not ones place. What? Which number is ones place? Question number A. Ones place, which number?
2.
2. 2 is in the ones place. 2 is in the ones place. And 10th place, it is 5. 5 is in the 10th place. 5 is in the 10th place. So that is question number A. Now question number B. Adil, can you read the question, Adil? Question number B.
75.05.
Read the question. Write the digits in the. Yes, Chinmay. Adil, mute your audio. Yes, Chinmay. 75.05. So what we have to write? 10th
7
place.
is in the 10th place.
7 is in the 10th place. 7 is in the 10th place. Okay. Then which is in the ones place?
5.
5. Okay, 5. 5 is in the ones place. Ones place. Okay. Then 10th place.
0.
0. 0 is in 10th place. 10th. 10th will come after the decimal point. After the decimal point, the first place, that is 10th place. So 0 is in the 10th place. Now we have one more here. In question number
5
A,
is in
there
the
was no
100th
the
place.
100th place. Yes. In question number A, there was no 100th place. But in question number B, we have one more digit, which is that 5. 5 is in the 100th place. 100th.
Ma'am, can I mute?
Yes, yes. 100th place. Okay, children. Now, like this question number C and D, you can complete it now.
Ma'am, like this in the words,
Yes.
right?
Like this only in the words. Same question. Question number C, question number D. See the number carefully. Abhimanyu, you have the workbook with you? Yes? Workbook? Yes, Abhimanyu? Do you have the workbook? Is it network problem? Okay, children, do question number C and D. After finishing question number C and D, we will discuss the answers. Okay. Many videos are off. Children, please turn on your Devak, Dhanay, Praveen, Pranav, Anina, Catherine, Daniel, Praveen.
Ma'am, finished.
Finished. Wait, we'll discuss. Abhimanyu, show me your workbook. Okay, question number C. The number is. Yes, Dia. Can you say the answer of question number C? Question number C, which is the number
Can you hear me?
12.89. Yes,
Can you hear me?
yes, 12.89. Tens place. Tell me the answer. I'm just writing like this. No problem. How you were writing in question number A and B, you can write like that only. But only check the places and their digits. Tens place. Which is the number in tens place?
1.
1. Ones place.
1, ma'am.
Ones place.
2.
Ones place is 2.
2.
Okay.
10th place is 8.
Some problem with the board. Okay. Ones place is 2. Okay. Then we have 10th. 10th place.
8.
8.
8.
Okay. 10th place is
8.
8.
8.
Then
100th
place.
9.
Okay. 100th place.
9. It's 9.
9. Okay. Yes, children. Check your answers. Okay. Harsha, can you say the next one? Question number D. Question number D.
9 is in the tens place.
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Tens place. The number is 99.271. 99.271. Okay. Tens place.
9.
9.
Ones place.
Ones
9.
place.
9.
9.
10th place. 2.
10th place is 2. 10th.
100th place is 7. 1000th
100th place is 7. Okay. 100th place.
1000th place is 1.
100th place we have that is equal to 7. 7 and 1 is in 1000th place. 1000th place. Thousandth place is equal to 1. Finished all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have tens, ones, and most of the problem we have 10th, 100th maximum, 1000th place. Okay. Finished all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have the word problems, short answer questions. Okay, question number 17. Richard, can you read question number 17? Are you reading? It's not audible.
55 of the 100 staff members of a school are teachers.
Express the fraction of the number of teachers in the decimal form.
Decimal form. So children, how we can write 55 out of 100? How we can write 55 by
100.
100? Okay, Richard, tell me the answer. 55 by 100. So how you can write in decimal form? Decimal form.
55.100.
55 by 100 is
55.100.
no fear. We learned this in class 4 and we have discussed. Yes, Agni.
500.
No, where's Agni? I cannot hear. Yes. Children, please tell the answer. Some 0.55. Yes, 0.55. So children, 5 by 10, we can write 0.5. So the decimal number, it is the number of zeros in the denominator that will be equal to the decimal places. What is decimal places? After the decimal point, how many digits? That is decimal places. So 55 by 100. In 100, how many zeros are there? How many zeros? 2 0. Yes, 2 0. So after the decimal point also, how many digits should be there? 2. So 0.55. Understood? Okay, children. Any doubt? No. So if it is 5 by 10 means 0.5. After the decimal, we have only one digit. It will depend upon the number of zeros in the denominator. Okay, don't get confused with that. So we had to write this as a word problem. Then here, total staff of a school. We had to write the total staff, number of teachers, then write the number as a fraction, then convert it into decimal form. Okay. So question number 17. Total staff of a school. Total staff of a school. Total staff. How much?
100.
100. And out of this 100, how many are teachers?
55.
55. So we can write number of teachers. Number of teachers. Number of teachers is equal to 55. So how we can write fraction form? Fraction form of number of teachers. Fraction form. Fraction form of the number of teachers. Number of teachers. Fraction, we already learned the chapter fraction. We know the part taken by total. That is 55 by 100. Now next the question is, we have to write this in the decimal form. Express the fraction of the number of teachers in the decimal form. So we can write decimal form. So we'll write decimal form means we have 0.55. So here, look at here, we have here two zeros in the denominator. So after the decimal point, we have 1, 2 decimals. Okay. So always look at the denominator, how many zeros are there. We will write this as the powers of 10. The denominator we are writing as the powers of 10. So it will be 10, 100, 1000. So here in 100, how many zeros? 2 zeros. So the decimal form is 0.55. So here total then we will write number of teachers, then write the fraction form, then write the decimal form. Alok, can you read the next question, number 18?
Riva has 1,000 dairy milk chocolates, out of which she distributed 276 chocolates expressed in decimal form. The fraction of chocolates that Riva distributed.
Okay, so here how many chocolates are the total?
1,000.
1,000. How many chocolates is distributed?
276.
276. So how we can write as a fraction 276 by
1,000.
1,000. So can you say that in the decimal form?
0.276.
0.
Yes, 0.276. So children, in the denominator we have 30, and in the fraction after the decimal, in the denominator we have 30, and in our decimal form after the decimal point we have 3 digits. Yes, yes, Anthony. Anthony.
Ma'am, can you show the board?
Ah,
Ma'am, the decimal form of 5 by 100 is 0 by 50.
what? Decimal form of 5 by 100.
Yes, ma'am.
0.05.
Ma'am?
0.05.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That day we have discussed that same 50 by 100 and 5
got
by
them.
100. They are different. Okay.
Can you show the board?
Okay. So can we write this step? What we will write? Total number of chocolates. Total number of chocolates that Riva had. Question number 18. Question number 18. Total number of chocolates. Total number of chocolates Riva had. Yes.
Ma'am, I can't
Riva.
see.
Can you see the board?
Ma'am, I can't see.
What happened? Who is that?
No, ma'am.
Fia.
Yeah.
And the color is very light. That's
Ma'am, I can see.
Okay, okay.
No, ma'am, we can see, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, children, please mute your audio. Whenever you have getting the chance, children, please see that you
I mean,
are.
it's Abhimanyu's audio.
River had its 1,000. So total number of chocolates River had, that is equal to 1,000. Now what we will write? Number of chocolates distributed. Number of chocolates. Number of chocolates distributed. Chocolates distributed is equal to 276. 276. Yes.
When next step is fraction of chocolate Riva distributed.
Fraction of the number of chocolates, we can write fraction of number of chocolates distributed. Fraction of the fraction of the number of chocolates distributed. Number of chocolates distributed. Distributed. So fraction means we have to write the number of chocolates distributed by the total number. Total number is 1,000. So now next step is decimal form. Decimal.
Zero by 276.
0.276. Yes. Yes. So if you have place, if you want to write, therefore, the decimal form of the fraction of chocolates distributed is 0.276. If you write This much also okay. So this is like conversion from fraction to decimal, converting fraction to decimal. Here what we will see, we will look at the number of zeros. Number of zeros here. This, you see here, number of, this here 3 zeros. So after the decimal point also we will count 1, 2, 3 places are there. Okay. Devak, can you read the next question, Devak?
The weight of apples
Can you share the screen once more?
and
I didn't know
watermelon.
because of network pressure.
Yes, Devak, read question number 19.
The weights of apples, chickus, and watermelons that Kamla bought are 2,343 gram.
Hmm.
4,123 gram and 8,902 gram, respectively.
Yes.
Express the weight of each type of fruit in kilograms. Also find their total weight in grams. How many kilograms of fruit did Kamla buy in all?
Okay, so children, here the weight of apples, chickus and watermelons is given in gram. You have to convert that into kilogram. So children,
Am I finished?
gram and kilogram, you know how many gram is equal to, how 1 kilo is equal to how many gram?
1,000.
1 kilogram is equal to dash gram.
1,000 grams.
1000. Yes, 1000. So children, you have to divide here by, how we can write this in the fraction form? Kamala have written, that is 2,343 by 1000. 4,123 by 1000. Because children, why we are dividing by 1000? Because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram.
So the answer we get is the kilogram.
We will do together, okay? Then we can, whenever we come to that point, we can discuss. Question number 19.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
so I wrote the full question and they told to express the weight of each fruit. in
Okay,
kilograms.
I mean, wait.
So,
We will do together. That time, we have to write in the fraction, then we will write in the decimal form. After that, we can discuss. Weight of the apples in grams. Weight of the apples. Weight of the apples in gram. That is given. How much weight for the apples?
2,343.
2,343 grams.
2343 grams. Okay. Now we have to convert this into kilogram. So what do you have to do? Divide by what?
1,000.
1000. Okay. So children, always remember 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. This you have to keep in mind. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So we will write convert into kilograms. So converting, next step we will write this, what I have written like this bracket, no, that we can write somewhere, not, it's not a step in this question. So what we have to do? Converting it into kilograms. Converting.
And tried converting that step like.
Can you say louder? It's not audible.
And he is asking that should we write that converting?
Yes,
step?
yes, we have to write. Converting it into kilograms. Converting.
Ma'am, I wrote, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I wrote the weight next to the grams.
Huh?
Ma'am, I wrote the weight next to the grams.
Weight next to gram.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you told to convert the grams into kilograms, right?
Converting it into kilograms. Yes.
Ma'am, so I wrote it next to the gram.
Second line you can write. You have written in one line. Continue.
Yes, ma'am.
That is next step. You have the place.
No, ma'am, I already finished the question.
I was asking whether you have enough lines to write one below the other. If you don't have, you can write in the converting it into kilograms. We have to convert. Usually we will write this maths, no, it's like one below the other. If it is possible, all the equal sign also should be one below the other. So 2, 3, 4, 3 divided by 1000. So here children, remember here we have only 3 zeros in the denominator. So Agne, can you tell me this in the decimal form? 2
2.343.
point. Okay, this is very important. Children, you should have after the decimal. Here we have 3. So 3, 4, 3. After the decimal, we should have how many digits? 3. We
Three.
cannot write all the 4 in after the decimal. What do you have to do? After the decimal point, we should have 1, 2, 3 places. Here 2.343 kilogram. So we have converted gram into kilogram. I think this measurement chapter we have learned converting to gram and kilogram. Yes? Measurements?
Yes, ma'am,
Last year. Okay. So next one like this we have to write for chickus and the watermelons. Okay, children? Weight of chickus in gram. Weight of chickus in grams. Weight of chickus in grams. What's that given?
4,123 grams.
4123 grams. So what we will do next? Converting it into kilograms. Converting it into kilograms. Converting.
Ma'am, can you see me?
For that, I want to stop share. Yes, where is Manu? Yes, where? Yes, yes. Converting it into kilograms. Converting it into kilograms. Same. Divide by 4123 divided by 1000. So you can write 4.123 kilogram. Please check whether you have 3 digits after the decimal point. 4123. Children, you can write the same steps like this for watermelon also. Those who finished, write weight of watermelons in gram, converting it into kilogram. Find out the answer. So the answer is here 4.123 kilogram. 4.123 kilogram. Next, weight of watermelon in grams. Weight of watermelon. Weight of watermelons in grams. What's that? Weight of watermelon?
8,902.
8902 gram. 8,902 gram. Next step, convert into kilogram. Converting it into kilograms. Converting it into kilograms. Converting it into kilograms. We know that 8902 by 1000. What's the answer?
8.902.
Kg, kilogram. Okay. Now, after writing this much, we have written express the answer for this question. Express the weight of each type of fruits in kilograms. We have already expressed the weight of apples, chickus, and watermelons in kilograms. Now we have to find out the total weight in gram. So what do you have to do? The question, in the question it is given in the gram, the weight of apples, chickus, watermelons, you have to add together. So what the next step, total weight of fruits in grams. Total weight of fruits in grams.
Can I say the answer?
Wait.
Grams now.
What, Gautam?
We should add the kilograms of.
No, we will add, it is given, in the question itself, it is given in gram. So the question is the total weight in gram. So we can write all, add all this weight in grams. Hmm?
Can I say the answer?
Wait. Total weight of fruits. I want all the children to do alone. Total weight of fruits in grams.
Should add
Total weight, you have to add all these three.
I found the answer.
Total weight of fruits in grams. So you have to add and tell me the answer. 2343 plus gram plus 4123 plus
8,902.
802.
15,360.
Okay, what about Ayman?
That's it.
What's the answer? 15?
15,368.
15,368.
368.
Okay, so this is the answer. So is it in the gram or kilogram? Gram. So children, don't forget to write a gram over there, because we are adding the weight of fruits, total weight of fruits in grams. So 2,343 plus 4,123 plus 8,902, you'll get 15,368 gram. So children, again, what we had to do? How many kilograms of fruits? So what we had to do? Convert it into kilogram. How you can convert? Divide by 1,000. Converting it into kilograms.
15.
Converting it into kilograms.
Ma'am, why we should write one more than this?
Yes.
Ma'am, why you are writing this?
Can you show before slide?
What-
Can you show before slide?
1 minute. Let me complete this. 15,368 by 1,000. So children, after you will see from the back. Yes. 1, 2, 3. We'll put here point. The answer is 15.368 kilogram. 15.368 kilogram. So we can write the total weight of fruits that Kamala bought is 15.368. So we can write total weight
Can you show before slide?
Before slide. Okay, wait. Okay, after completing this. Total weight of fruits that Kamala bought is 15.368 kilogram. 15.368 kilogram.
Ma'am, at the end of the period.
So, children here, 1 minute. Someone was asking this before slide, so I am showing this again. So, weight of watermelon, 8,000 here, 902, then converting, then the total weight is 15,368.
Excuse me,
Then,
ma'am. Ma'am, attendance.
Now you can show let's slide.
then converting it into kilograms. Okay, I will take the attendance. Okay, wait. Converting, last answer is in kilogram. So, finish, children.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the time? So,
No, ma'am, can you share screen?
Once more.
okay, so children, you can write down and I will take the attendance here. One minute. Groups.
Ma'am, can we do one more question?
Time is not there. Only.
Ma'am, the next.
Yes, we can do one more question.
Yes, ma'am, we
Yes,
can
till 240 is the.
Yes,
Yes, yes.
ma'am, the name is absent.
Okay.
The name is absent.
Okay. So here, children, Gautam, can you read question number? Next one, question 20.
Question number 20.
20. Yes, Gautam. Angela, wait, okay?
Yamini has 280
Yamini. 280 centimeter of rope.
centimeter of rope, and Aman has 164 centimeter of rope. How many meters of rope does each of them have? What is the total length of the rope? Give your answer in meters.
Okay. So meter and centimeter, you know the relation between meter and centimeter. 1 meter is equal to
100.
100. So children, if you want to convert into meter, what do you have to do? Divide by 100. Okay. So we will write the step together. Write it fast. Length of the rope with Yamini. Question number 20.
Ma'am, my laptop charge is low.
Why, Ayman? Always you have
Ma'am, I
charge.
charge the laptop full.
Okay, okay. Length of rope with Yamini. That length is 280 centimeter. 280 centimeter. Now we have to convert this into meters. Divide by how many? Which number we will divide 280 by?
100.
100. Okay, don't forget this. And tell me, is this in meter?
Question, right?
2.80.
2 point. After 2.80. Okay, after divide by 100, you have to write that in the decimal form. That decimal form is that we are converting it into meter. When we write 2.80. So children, if you instead of 2.80, we can write 2.8. Why? Because 2.8 and 2.80 are equivalent decimals. Very good. We have learned that. Okay. If you are not writing 0 also, no problem. After the decimal point to the right side of the last digit, if we place as many zeros, there is no change in the value. So 2.80 meter. Next, length of the rope with Amar. Same like this with Amar. Length of rope with Amar. Length of the rope with Amar. Write that answer. What's answer? 164 centimeter. Then write down with same steps. How we have written for Yamini, like the same. Length of the rope with Amar. 164 centimeter. Then convert into meter. Converting into meter. 164 by 100. What's the answer? John? 164 divided by 100. What's the answer? Yes, Adinath.
Yes, ma'am.
1.64 meter. Okay, very good. Now, what's the question? Total length of the, what is the total length of the rope? Total length is, so we can write total length. Add in centimeter only we will add. Total length. Total length of the rope is equal to, you can write 280 plus 164. Find out the answer and tell me. 280 plus 164. After finding, we have to convert again into meter. Converting into meter.
Finished.
What's the total?
444.
444 centimeter. 444 centimeter. Now, next step, convert into meters. What do you have to do? 444
by 100.
by 100 again. So the answer will be
4.44.
4.44 meter. So here, what we are doing, Yamini has rope with 280 centimeter. Amar has 164. How many meters of ropes does each of them have? We have to first convert into meter. Then the next question is, what is the total length? The total length, how we can find out? Add 280 plus 164. The answer is 444. Now the last one is give your answer in meters. So what we have to do? You have to divide by 100. Then the answer is 4.44 meter. Okay, children,
Ma'am, it's done. 200.
completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So children, I will send the notes. If anyone has not finished, I will send the notes. I think the time is over. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, I will send the notes in the WhatsApp. So if anyone not finished. Okay, children, bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.